So the history of club training, they've been around for thousands of years. They were an ancient tool for strength and conditioning back in the days. So the Persian warriors, they would train with clubs to strengthen the shoulders. So when they went into battle with, say, a sword, they would train with a heavier club so they could cut through armour easier, and they got more powerful strikes and they did more damage when they went into battle. And then the Indians, after the Persians popularised it, around about the 15th, 16th century, and the wrestlers over in northern India, the Palshini wrestlers, they really took on Indian club training as part of their strength and conditioning for the wrestling, just because it's so good for circular shoulder strength. And lastly, the British and American soldiers used to use Indian clubs as part of their PTI, so the soldiers would use that as part of their training when they went into the army. Recent times, they've become popular in the West. Really, it was the wrestlers and the MMA guys that really got into club training, just because it's so good for circular shoulder strength, so good for their combat training, that they've really popularised it in recent years.